Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To my subscribers, I say a very big thanks to you guys for your love and massive support. You guys are so amazing. I really appreciate. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Olivia and you are welcome to the family as well. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how I achieved this my beautiful knotless braids. So keep watching. So here is the attachment I'm gonna be using for the braids. So the name is Wignall's Braid. I don't know if I got that pronunciation right. Yeah, Wignall's Braid pre-stretch, and I'll be using just 3 packs of that. My recto comb, hair clips and hairband, styling gel. So my hair is washed and moisturized. I'm going to try as much as possible to explain what I'm doing. So keep watching guys. And I'm starting from the back side of my hair. If this is like your first time trying this, I know it can be very difficult to part your hair, especially at the back, but I have my mirror at the front and one at the back, so I'm just sitting in between 2 big mirrors. That makes it easy for me to like see what I'm doing at the back side. So when you section your hair out like this, you want to separate in 3 equal parts with your fingers, just the way I'm doing now. And you're going to be grabbing attachment with your left fingers. Add on top of the hair and secure with your right pinky fingers. Then you release the one on your right pinky finger and pass it under your hair and braid. Add on top, secure with your right pinky finger, release and pass it right under again and grab with your right index finger and continue to braid. Add on top and secure with your right pinky finger, braid and release, pass under your right finger and continue to braid. So this is just it guys. The same process will continue. I'm going to explain further as I go. So because the attachment is very long, I'm going to braid and pass right on top of my hair like this and continue to braid. Then I will secure the tips with rubber band just like this. So again, I'm going to separate in 3 equal parts with my fingers and braid tightly. Add attachment with my left finger. This is if you're right-handed. So I secure with my right pinky finger and release. Pass the attachment under again and braid. Add attachment with my left finger and secure with my right pinky finger, braid and pass to under and continue to braid. Add with my left and secure with my right pinky finger, braid and release the hair and pass it under and grab with my right and continue to braid. So this is the process guys. I hope I'm explaining it well and it's clear and easy to understand. It is not just very easy for me to like explain what I'm doing. I believe the best way to learn this style if you want to learn is by like watching what I'm doing. If you follow my hand as I braid, you're going to like learn. parting my hair, this is one thing I normally do, like fold the hair, and this is just to like make sure that the line is clean and is not too thick or thin. So that is helpful. It makes me see the line and the thickness. So now I'm going to like separate the hair in 3 equal parts and braid tightly. Add attachment with my left fingers, secure with my right pinky finger, braid and release, put under and braid. Add with my left, secure with my right pinky finger, braid and release, pass under and braid. Add with my left, secure with my right pinky finger, braid and release, pass under and braid. So guys, this is pretty much the process. I hope it's clearer. I hope you get what I'm doing. Please, if you're watching you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, your honest opinion. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post new video. Let me know what you think in a comment section, please, your honest opinion, and do have a lovely day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.